See how rough the water is? We're stopped at the Assateague Visitor Center. We're going to use the restroom, and we're actually going to go in the visitor center and see what's going on in there. This is such a nice little thing they put in at the end of the walkway. It's got the glass. We've been down here before, and the rocking chairs. It's the bridge over there. It's actually not as windy back here. Scary. Unexploded ordnances, bombs from World War II target practice on Assateague Island are washing up on the beach. Please do not touch or move them. Wow, that's scary. Big windows in here. You can see outside. That's where we just were. And they have all kind of little displays. And that is the walkway that we were just on, that nice view. And then they have all these big windows in here. They have some rocking chairs. They're telling you not to feed horses. A fed horse is a dead horse. It's a pretty mural they have in here. Aquariums.
And those hermit crabs are totally different species. So this hermit crab, it requires water. It can hold
There's a
the water
fish.
for probably 2 hours.
Very teeny. We stopped in Assateague, Maryland. We went to the beach. It's really windy down here. There's some really cool clouds though. There's the water. It's the Atlantic Ocean. Lots of waves. I don't know if you can see all the kites, but there's a bunch of people out there trying to kite surf. looking clouds. Then over the water, it's like blue sky, white puffy clouds.